Hello everybody out there in the world, my name is Second Nintendo One, and welcome back to Cosmonautica! Last time, I sang the I Lost Money song. And, that was basically it. We reached that 5 and 5, but now it's lowered because, sadly. Wait, no. I need to find work. You don't have work for me, of course. So that's why we need to go somewhere. Oh, we're on Norwell. Let's see here. Let's go to Zeppos. Let's go to Zeppos to see if we can get anything. Because if anything, the research is going to take a little bit, so let's hope for that. So let's hope for a good thing. 2, 1, so everyone's happy like that. Aha! Here we go. Briz Park. Excellent. Except I can't do that one. Shoot. It's got the one with the most money, right? Yes, I did, so I'm happy. Briz Park it is. Then I'm probably gonna make my way back to Zeppos to see if I can snipe that other one. And the hygienic is slowly getting on me, which I'm not happy about. Hope. Ah, no. Here we go again. Cool. To the research lab, please. Facilities. Down. No, not facilities. Living. Down. Here we go. Let's continue. Yes. As we continue on our various voyage. I hope that can be done before. And one of them got sick. Great. Excellent. I love it. Help. As we continue on, if I remember correctly. Wait a second. No, that's not the one. It's supposed to be this one. Gains more XP but gets sick more often. That's weird. Uh-oh. Please make it. Please. Thank you. Fast forward. Quickly. Is there anything in here? No? Good. Okay, good. I could slowly. Maybe soon. Oh, wait. Level up. Promote. You are a scientist, right? Good. Recovers more quickly on stations. Good, because you're the one that had the sickness. Yeah. Upgrade on scientists. You can do stuff faster. And my cat's nibbling on my fingers. On the inside. Shut up, cat! Shut it! Alright, cool. As we continue on. Stop it, cat! Stop it! Stop it! Alright, as we continue on. Nothing new has popped up, so actually one of them decreased, so I'm going somewhere else. You know what? Let's go to the old Dongabong! Here we go. Oh wait, shoot, forgot to fast forward. And the research is going good because she's on fire. That's a good thing. Note. My cat's attacking my foot! Ah! As we continue on. 3, 2, 1, do. Yes! Cool. Now then, I just need to install that. As we continue on, should be quick. Here we go, here we go. Don't mess with nature! Rats! You got sick. Okay, to the research lab again. Living. Actually, no. What's the free Wi-Fi do? Satisfy entertainment need and satisfy. I need that one! Keep at it. That, continue on. Nothing. Great, let me wait until he is not sick, so it will be good. If anything, I need to go to camp. Say anything? No? Good. Let's see. Bliss Park. Here we go. And someone got sick automatically. Great. Love it. Let me actually get the cozy cabin. And if anything, I will actually do this one next so we could be quick about this. Because right now, I'm losing money, and I don't like that. I hope that he... Oh, wow, that was quick. For 3, 2, 1 more. As we continue, everything's going smooth on this one, which is nice. Ah, promotion! We got a promotion! Great! Up on that cleaner, up on that clean life, up the cleaner. They're almost leveled up, which is nice. Cool, repair the rooms, and what I need to do now is, if I remember correctly, I did not research that one yet, but I need to do the toilet, but I cannot do that on this puny ship. So they have to suffer with it for now till we get that much money. We were so close. And they're not giving me the jobs, which is not happy. Let's go to Zoom. Oh, great. Someone got into a fight. Like that. More pilot, please, and you will be more repair. Continue! Shoot! I do not like that at all. Oh no! Oh no! This is gonna be bad if I don't need to just plan it. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here we go. Let me fast forward so everyone can be nice, healthy, nice and healthy. These are the... I'm not doing that! I have to go to my trusted... Do I have to... How we... been there, so... You know what? Do I trust the planet? Dongobong! Let's go to Dongobong! As we continue on, put on fastness. Here we go, here we go, here we go. That should be done. That should be done. Okay, to the research lab. We must look at the bunks. Actually, no. I'm doing the crit tech now. Yeah, there you go. That will take a while. Hoping that it won't take that long. Tool on fire. It's nice. Very, very nice. Let's hope that I can make it. Yep, okay. Good. Dongobong! Dongobong, you always been so good to me. You have failed me. How dare you, Dongobong? Do I have to find a new planet now, Dongobong? I do not appreciate that, Dongobong. Let's go to Zappos. That's my cat's laying on my lap right now. It's kind of cute. Oh, great. No. I need to get that building fast. Shoot. Everything is going down here. Don't. No. Don't. Okay. Just talking to my cat, don't worry. No, don't. No. I think I'm gonna end it off here because my cat. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.